Thank you for calling. If you know your party's 3 digits extension, please dial it now, followed by the pound key. For press 7, for finance press 8. Transferring your call.
Hello? Yes.
Hey, so we're based right here in Cleveland. We specialize in selling and servicing a variety of inspection-related tools and equipment, from cylindrical gauging, precision hand tools, to optical comparators and vision systems.
Okay.
And then additionally, we sell and service 3D printers, typically used for fixturing, jigs, and prototypes. Are you currently utilizing 3D printing?
Yeah, we have trying to think of the model. We just bought it, I think, a couple years ago.
Okay.
I think it's a S7. I'm trying to think of the name.
Okay. Okay. And you bought it about 2 years ago?
Yeah, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago. We just bought it.
Okay. You think it's an S7?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you using it, like what kind of workflow? Are you using it for like prototyping, fixturing?
Yeah. Yeah, so like prototyping, because we, fixturing for holding products, just a different variety.
Fixturing for holding products? Okay.
Yep.
And then, yeah, just so you know, because we do sales and service. We have a range of professional 3D printers in various sizes, speeds, and capabilities, allowing printing with polymers, composites, and metal. And so we represent also offering a range of filament and resin-based professional 3D printers. And so, like I was saying, they come in various sizes, speeds, and capabilities, allowing printing with polymers, composites, and metal. And then our systems are used for jigs, fixtures, prototypes, and custom parts in diverse applications. Are you currently working with a third party for your 3D printing, or are you doing it all in-house?
We do outsource it sometimes, depending on like the complexity of what we need to print, because our printer, it does so. It's got certain capabilities, so I can't think of the name of the company. I know we do have one, and yeah.
You have outsourced with one company?
Yeah, I think it's just one.
Vendor?
One
okay.
Right now. Yeah.
Is that for certain capabilities, like you said, that maybe that your current technology doesn't perform?
Yeah, they print down to like the micron. I forgot, like a lower micron for really like tight tolerances.
Print down to a lower micron. That's what you use the third party for?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Yeah. So like I said, we're a really good resource for 3D here, and like I said, we're based in Cleveland here. So yeah, we're a really good resource for 3D printing. So I was going to see, just so you have, like a backup vendor, and we can just want to see if you'd be open to, even if you don't have any current needs right now, but just so always good to do a little homework for the ahead of time. Would you be open just doing like a quick introduction on, and regarding 3D printing? Would you have some time?
Did you send something through my email? I might have gotten something, so I could check it out. Yeah, we're always open to like adding new vendors, just sort of like expanding what we have.
Awesome. Yeah, we'd love to have the opportunity, if you're always open to it. And like I said, we just do like a quick 15-minute as an introduction, and then we get more specific than just doing an email, and then you can actually ask some questions and things like that. Would you have some time on Friday? If not, we could pick a day next week.
This week and next week is really busy for me.
Okay. How about the week of the 17th?
Let me see.
After the holiday?
I know we have like a class this month. I'm trying to think. I'm looking to see the 19th through the 21st.
Okay. Okay.
I have a class, so like it would have to be, either on the 18th or after that, the 24th or through the 28th. I'm open.
Okay, yeah, we could do it right before the class. The 18th works good. That's because I think 17th is a holiday. So that Tuesday there before the class starts. Do you prefer morning, afternoon? What's a good slot for you?
Probably afternoon would work the best.
Okay, 2:00.
That sounds fine.
Okay, and then what is your title at the company?
My position is a test engineer.
Okay, test engineer. Okay, and then your email, because we're going to send you a calendar invite and a link for the.
Are you ready?
Yes.
It's
Okay, so it's
correct.
okay. Great. So we'll send you over a calendar invite for a 3D printing introduction for the 18th at 2:00.
Cool.
We look forward to it. Have a great rest of the week.
All right. You too.
All right. Thanks. All right. Bye-bye.